G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I seen this at my local EB Games today and I thought I'd get it. I don't have this card, so I thought I'd get it and see what's inside. One pack, code card, and a promo card. Not too shabby, couple of swells. Alrighty, and the coin, can't forget the coin. A lot of people like that little crocodile guy. What's his name?
Flake Coco.
Flake Coco, that's it. I'm gonna go feeling Leaf Energy.
I'm feeling Fighting
Darkness. Remember guys, please like and subscribe. There is a lot of you not subscribing and watching. It is free to subscribe, so please do so. Okay. And, okay, nothing too crazy. Alright guys, remember like, subscribe, and we'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye.